Hi everyone, Kim Snyder here with the API guys, and I am here with the bonus video that I promised to attendees of the Art of Campaign Building Mastery course on campaign links. And as it turns out, the email that I'm about to send to you, the attendees of the Mastery course, is an absolutely perfect example of when I might want to use a campaign link. So let me explain what a campaign link is. It's a link that you set, as the name implies. It's a link you set up at the campaign level rather than in the emails itself. Now, why would you want to do that? Well, let's go into this email that I'm about to send you, and I will give you a perfect example. So, as you may be aware, and for those who didn't attend the Mastery class who may be watching this, we are recording this Mastery course, and we want to send our attendees the recordings that we made as quickly as possible. So in the initial emails that we are sending out right after the course, we are just using a link to the raw video in Dropbox. Now, eventually, it is our intention, quickly, it is our intention to have these videos edited and create timestamp notes to go with them and to put them in a membership site so that all of the Mastery folks can access them permanently. But in the short run, we want them to have these right away. So what I really want in these emails is I want to be able to share the link to the Dropbox file, but later when I change it, if they click on that link in the email, I don't want them to still go to the Dropbox share link. I want them to go to the new updated link in the membership site. And that's exactly what a campaign link will allow you to do. So just as an example, okay, here's the link to day 6, right? So this is, again, like all of these, right now, this is going to have to point to my Dropbox share link, right? But when I change it, I want it to change permanently for anybody who ever opens this email now in the future. So let me show you how to do that. We're going to have to back up a step here. So let's go all the way back out to the campaign. This is very similar to a campaign merge field, but it's a campaign link. So here, in the campaign dropdown, here's campaign merge fields, here's campaign links. So I click links to build my link, and right here I say add link, and I'm going to say Mastery Day 6 recording. I'm going to put that Dropbox share link in there for now. Now, eventually, right, when this is somewhere else, for example, the best of breed slide deck now lives in the membership site, I can go back and edit these links. But for now, what I want to do is, this description is optional, and I click save to save the link. And then, see, the edit, so I can later go back and change these. So I'm going to say close. There we go. Now I'll go back into that email, and the way that you use these links within the email while that's waiting. So another good reason to use these, I mean, they have their pros and cons. So first of all, these can't be used in a broadcast email. So I'm having to create a little mini broadcast here in the campaign in order to use these. But because I knew these links were going to be changing, you know, it's worth setting up to me in the campaign rather than as a broadcast. So they can only be used within that specific campaign by emails created in the campaign. So that is one of its limitations. But just imagine that, you know, it's early in the morning and sometimes I have senior moments. So imagine that I set this link up and accidentally put the link to day 5 here instead of day 6. Well, with a normal email, there's nothing I can do about that other than send a new email out going, oops, made a mistake. But with a campaign link, I can just go change the link in the campaign links, and then when someone reopens that email, it will, or anyone who opens it after I change it, it will be correct. So here's how you set up the campaign link in the email. Like you would normally do, you click on link, and you hit the drop down. Instead of web address, you're looking for campaign link. It'll give you a drop down that has all the campaign links you've set up within this campaign. I'm going to choose Mastery Day 6 recording. I could apply a tag if I wanted, just like any other link. And there you go. There's your link, and that is a dynamic link that can be changed by you at the campaign level at will, so that your links will always be correct even if they change and someone opens this email a year from now, which is something that you can only do using campaign links. So I hope that was helpful. As always, I love solving Infusionsoft puzzles for people. Turning can't into can is my favorite thing to do. So if I can help you in any way, please contact me at the information on your screen. Always more than happy to chat with you and see if we can't knock down some of your Infusionsoft campaign builder roadblocks. Thanks, everybody. Talk to you soon.